What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another box, I believe from StockX. Uh, yeah, StockX usually they really have good deals. Usually their retail prices are, their resale prices are lower than other, like, Go Stadium Goods, um, Urban Accessories, all those other resellers, companies, those really. This is the Air Jordan 1 right here. Let's see. Take that. Oh, shoot. Uh, I grab this box. This shit, bitch. This, no, this is from Nike, actually. Can't remember. Oh, these are it's from Nike. Got them for, I believe, 160 retail. Yeah, I messed up. These are the Air Jordan 1 Wheats. See, Air Jordan 1 box as always, typical box. You get the red and white, black. Oh, same thing as all the ones. Here we go with the tag. Air Jordan 1 Retro High Golden Harvest. Golden Harvest. Alright, let's get right into it. So these sat everywhere. Yeah, move this a little bit down. These sat everywhere and they are on sale right now, actually. But I picked these up when they dropped, the first time they dropped, but that suede is really soft, like really soft. Like one of the best suedes I've touched, actually. Are these worth 160? I think so, yeah. The quality is pretty good, like really good. Like you can tell me moving the suede over here. So the color is just Golden Harvest. Really nice. This suede is magnificent. That's what it is. It's all covered with suede, nothing else. On top, more suede. You see that Nike Air, looks really nice. You got the like brown mesh tongue, rope laces, which seem kind of okay. You got the gum bottom with that Nike right there. Looks really nice. I really like these. Maybe should have waited a little longer. Maybe since they're on sale now, I think they're like 140 or 130, one of those. Well, yeah, they're pretty nice. Medial side, you see, all of it's suede. Really nice shoe. Nothing to complain, no glue marks or anything so far. Looks really nice. You got extra extra laces. These are flat laces. Personally, I like these laces. These look, I think, probably better. I really like this. This like really cool. They have the suede on the Nike Air, and on the back, really, they have nothing on the back. See, it's gray inside the tongue. Take that shoe tree out. Golden Harvest insole. Nike Air. Golden Harvest. Really nice shoe. Just the laces. Nothing special on the tips. There you go. Just the same color as the shoe. Really nice shoe. I really like it. Laser on, I guess, or stamped on Air Jordan. Back. Here, let me take the other shoe off. Give you gonna look at it. These are size 10, obviously. That's the only size I get is 10. Fits true to size. So if you ever are thinking about buying Air Jordan 1s, go true to size. They look really nice. The suede is really good. Like, you can totally tell when I move my fingers through it. It just changes. Close up look. Well, this tongue is kind of different in the camera, but Golden Harvest, it's almost the same color as this, but I don't know why it's picking up like brown or some shit like that. Give you 360 view over fast. This I'm just saying, this suede is like so good. Move this extra laces on side. But yeah, this like I would say this is the slept on Air Jordan 1 of this past year, 2017, I believe. It's dropped out in November or something like that, October, around there. Here, let me check the receipt just to make sure when it was dropped. Yep, November. It was dropped in November. Really slept shoe. I'll leave a link in the description for deals of this shoe because I know they're on sale right now. And I'll put StockX, I think, is way below retail too. So yeah, there's a really nice shoe. So thick. Also, this thick suede right here, all around the shoe. You can tell, I'll zoom into it. You can see that thickness of the suede. Quality right here. This is quality, and people are sleeping on it. Obviously, they made a lot of these, so that's probably why they're sitting. So these are like the Air Force One mid and the Air Force One high wheats, basically. Which is just a Jordan brand, which I feel like is more sleek, more better. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.